Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rasha Shah binti Zul Azlan from SMK Srinagar. Today I'm going to present about climate change and its ripple effect across the planet. SDG that we use for this presentation is SDG 4 Quality Education. To ensure inclusive and equitable quality education and promoting lifelong learning opportunities for all. SDG 11 Sustainable Cities and Communities to make cities and human settlements inclusive, safe, resilient, and sustainable. SDG 13 Climate Action to take urgent action to combat climate change and its impacts. What is climate change? Climate change is the current rapid warming of the Earth's climate caused by human activity. If left unchecked and current responses are doing little to halt it, it poses an unprecedented threat to human civilization and the ecosystems on this planet. The greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is a natural process where heat-trapping gases in the atmosphere, called greenhouse gases, absorb infrared radiation from the Earth's surface and re-emit it, warming the planet. This process is essential for maintaining a temperature suitable for life. However, human activities are increasing the concentration of these gases, leading to an enhanced greenhouse effect and global warming. What happens when it gets warmer? The environment. Global warming causes more frequent and longer heat waves, threatening human health and ecosystems, changing rainfall patterns, more frequent and extreme droughts and floods, disrupting water supplies and agriculture, rising sea levels, submerges coastal areas and low-lying islands, threatening communities and infrastructure, ecosystem damage, melting polar ice caps, species extinctions, and habitat changes. To economy, infrastructure damage. Floods and storms can damage buildings, roads, transportation systems. Agricultural disruption. Extreme weather affects crop and livestock yields, threatening food security. Tourism losses. Coastal and island damage can affect the tourism sector. High adaptation costs requires major investments in infrastructure and technology to cope with the impacts of climate change. To social health threat. Heat waves, air pollution, and vector-borne diseases are on the rise. Resource conflicts. Droughts and floods can trigger conflicts between communities over water and land. Migration. Rising sea levels and natural disasters can cause population displacement. Social injustice. The impacts of climate change are felt more by the poor and marginalized. Melting ice. When the ice gets warmer, it experiences various interconnected changes, collectively known as climate change. These include rising temperatures, more frequent and intense extreme weather events like heat waves, droughts, and floods, melting glaciers and ice sheets leading to sea level rise and disruptions to ecosystem and natural habitats. Crazy weather. These are events that are rare for a specific location and time of year. They might involve temperatures significantly above or below average, unusually heavy rainfall or snowfall, prolonged droughts, or strong winds. These can include unexpected shifts in temperature, precipitation, or other atmospheric conditions that deviate from the usual patterns for a particular region and time of year. Examples of crazy weather: heat waves. Temperatures reaching record heights, causing heatstroke and other health problems. Cold waves. Extremely low temperatures leading to frostbite, hypothermia, and infrastructure damage. Heavy precipitation. Intense rainfall, causing floods and landslides. Drought. Prolonged periods of dryness leading to water shortages and crop failures. Tornadoes and tropical cyclones. Powerful rotating storms that can cause widespread destruction. Migrating animals. Changes in temperature and precipitation patterns can disrupt ecosystems affecting plant and animal life. Species may be forced to migrate to new areas to find suitable conditions, and some may face extinction if they cannot adapt. Coral reefs are particularly vulnerable to warmer waters. leading to coral bleaching and death. What can we do to make it better? Mitigation, reducing emissions. 1. Energy efficiency. Improving energy efficiency in buildings, transportation, and industries can significantly reduce emissions. Sustainable transportation. Promoting public transportation, cycling, walking, and electric vehicles can reduce emissions from the transportation sector. 3. Protecting forests. Protecting and restoring forests is vital for carbon sequestration and biodiversity conservation. Adaptation, adjusting to change. 1. Water management. Improving water conservation and developing efficient irrigation techniques to address water scarcity. 2. Building resilience. Investing in infrastructure that can withstand extreme weather events, such as flood defenses and drought-resistant crops. 3. Ecosystem restoration. Restoring degraded ecosystems, such as wetlands and forests, can enhance their ability to adapt to climate change impacts. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation. I hope these informations are useful and delightful and insightful.